welcome to Glenfinnan. Hopefully we're going to walk over and see the Glenfinnan Viaduct in a moment, but the area is called Glenfinnan. And the railway line, obviously it's quite picturesque, Viaduct, but the railway line became quite famous in recent years, or even more famous in recent years, because of Harry Potter. And as my wife, to be fair, and I are Harry Potter fans, and I like architecture, I thought it'd be nice to go and see the Glenfinnan Viaduct. So hopefully we're going to get some drone hours, but I can't promise anything. They're a little bit sniffy about drone flying in Scotland, so we'll see. That's dramatic, isn't it? Isn't it just beautiful? My God. The colours of the sky, the clouds, the mountains, the lake, everything. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect. And it's me wife's birthday today. There she is. Happy birthday, Sally Hawkins. Shall we go over to the viaduct and see if we can see it? Well, we can see it, but we want to just see it a bit closer. There it is in the distance, the Glenfinnan Viaduct. One of the better vantage points. Not allowed to do any dronage from up here. I could go closer, but then I'd be panning back to see the view that I've already got. Well, for a day that was supposed to be miserable, I've got a few grey clouds in the sky, but generally it's quite nice. Birds are twitter-pating. As a panoramic, that's not a bad one, to be fair. I think some of the people that are in the area, just up here, they're waiting. There's a train supposed to be going across. I'm not going to wait for the train to go across. Sally is back down in the car park. She didn't think her knee was up to the climb, and it was a bit of a climb on a slightly precarious walkway up here. Thought I could hear a train coming, got excited. So I'm going to go back down and hopefully have some lunch with the Sally Hawkins. It's just breathtakingly beautiful, isn't it? That for me is just gorgeous. The colours. Just, yeah, except for the stupidly noisy car. Right, okay, let's go and see the Sally Hawkins. It is her birthday after all.